And you feel the weight of that. Just pick that up. Feel the weight of that.
Jesus, yeah, probably
So
got 6-7 kilos.
Yeah, it's quite
easy.
a bit of stuff in there compared to just the box.
Yeah, yep. Oh, what did you use? Just use pine and painted it, did you?
Yes.
Yeah.
So it's 3 coats of paint
Yeah, just
make it
acrylic.
last.
Yeah.
All right.
Because I suppose the thickness of the timber depends on the sort of weather conditions you get too, and down south you probably use something a bit thicker.
Well, it talks about that in the book about the thickness. I can't remember what it said. You can have thicker.
Yeah, I think they said you can have up to 40 mil, but I think that was in places probably farther down south. Yeah.
Yeah. So now this goo around here is what I've done. I put that there. You can see them walking out the.
Yep.
So they've got breaks in here that's pulling apart.
Yep.
So it might be difficult to. Can you just?
Yep.
It might be difficult to split, and I'm hoping these two.
Yeah, it's coming. I feel it.
These two halves are okay. If they're not.
What did you use? Just a bit of silicone around there, did you?
Yeah. I shouldn't have done that. I should just use tape.
Yeah, they do say. I did remember reading. They said make sure that the halves are actually clean, so pests can't get in. There's a certain type of fly. Do we get them up here? Those flies?
I guess so. I don't know.
Yeah.
There are flies that are interested. You can see them flying around.
Yeah. Put it to take the lid off.
See all the bees falling out.
They'll be there. I don't want to put too much pressure on the lid because I can feel it start to come off.
Yeah.
Just ease it off. I think we're doing the right thing.
Just hold it on there.
Yeah.
So let's put that on there.
So that's the old one, right?
Actually, the fit's not too bad.
Yep.
Put this on here before things get out of control. So that is the brood in the middle, and around the outside is the honey.
Yep. And so that's all the cells there in the middle there.
Yeah.
Yep.
Clean the bees off, but
Yeah.
I'll just clean that up as much as I can. I'm going to have to bring the wood off here.
Well, you don't have to hurt anyone, but it just
No,
it's
no.
the way it happens. You can't do anything else really.
See the wood falling apart as well.
Yeah.
It's really old. This won't last another split, so next time it'll have to be
Well
replaced.
done. Over it next. As best you're gonna get, I think.
Exactly.
Well, there, look at that.
So that's much easier than what I've been doing up until now, which has been cutting out that brood.
Brood, yeah, and putting it in a new box, yeah. And so that means, okay, yeah, righto. What's that little tube at the back for, Max?
Okay, I'll show you that. It's just a breather hole, but I've got to put a. Got to go and get something to put on that. So that's the top bit. That's the weakest bit there.
Right.
I'm just going to go and get a end for that.
Yeah, we got 2 new hives. The The hive, one hive, this one here, on the right, will have no queen. So what they'll do is they'll actually feed one of those, I've got to get it right, but they'll promote one of the cells into a queen. And I might get Max to explain that. Max, how do they promote the queen now in the box without the queen?
I don't know. They've obviously got some dormant cells.
Yeah, they feed that.
And feed that up. So
Yeah.
the same as normal bees.
Yeah.
Do that.
And then it does a flight, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah,
not sure.
and the males. Yeah, I'm pretty sure I did read that.
Okay.
The males actually go up and mate with it. She comes
Okay.
down and yeah.
Right.
Okay, all right.
Yeah, I'm not really up on that.
Yeah, I think it's. Did read that.
Yeah, have a look at that tube. It's,
Yeah.
It's blocked off.
Yeah, I
that's
see it's got a bit of.
It's just a breather ventilation tube.
Yep.
These old boxes don't have it, but apparently that's the thing to do.
Okay. And did you put is there a hole in the bottom of that one? Oh no, you're not actually you're actually not moving the brood, are you? That's right. They did. I noticed that they did say something about putting a hole in the bottom right
yes,
corner for
yes.
any honey.
Yes,
Yeah.
and again, these new ones have it. This new design has it.
Right. Okay.
The old designs didn't, so
Right.
that's a new thing.
Righto. Okay.
So let's hope this in. Right.
So you put the new box near the old box for the time
So
being, or?
I'm going to put the weakest one,
Yep.
which is that one there, because it's the top section.
That
no,
one.
this is
Yeah, the weakest one. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yep.
So that's going straight back.
Yep.
And the stronger one, which
Yep.
will take more
Yep.
transport.
Yep.
So this is the weakest one, so that's going back now.
Good little straps, those, Max. Where did you get those from?
Bunny.
Oh, okay. There you go.
Everything comes from Bunny. Do you want to come over here with your
Yep.
camera?
Yep.
I was going to put it on that new thing, but because it's the old one.
Yeah.
Okay, can you just pull that top, pull one of these? Where's the new one? I'll just put that wire around it.
Uh-huh.
Not, Right. There's a lot of holes in the side there, so it's not ideal, but we'll see how they
Yeah, because they will fill it in, won't they?
fill it in and
Yeah.
get over it.
Yeah. Well, I suppose as long as no pests get in there when
Yeah.
before they do it, like yeah.
So I put, you can see here around the bottom, I put grease to stop the ants getting up.
Oh yeah. Okay. Good. Yeah. Yeah. Ants. Yeah. Yep. Yep. At least with the cooler weather now, with less of those pests around.
These guys I'm now going to transport to down the hill.
Yeah.
And I've got one site set up for where these guys are going to
Oh,
go.
excellent.
Knocked off the thing.
What's up? What do you want?
That's all right, I knocked this one.
So what did you just bought a sheet of this? Is this just ordinary
Yeah.
ridge capping? So just
Yeah.
coming a length at it.
Just it was this just cut into thirds, and that was enough.
Yeah, I think I've got some old ridge capping anyway somewhere around.
Oh, look at them. So now, if you did this in the middle of the day,
Oh yeah.
they wouldn't be walking; they'd all be in your hair.
Yeah,
and your
yeah,
ears
yeah,
and-
yeah, yeah. I can understand that. Yeah, I understand what we're doing. They're slow. Yeah, they're slow.
So it takes about 15 degrees before they.
Yeah. Now all these bees we're looking at, they're females basically,
Oh,
aren't
yeah,
they?
yeah.
Yeah. I mean, there are males there, of course, but they're all
They'd be-
females.
Yeah, I've never taken the time to
Yeah.
to sort of have a look inside and find the queen or any of that.
Yeah, no, yeah. Yeah, you just want it's the sort of thing you want to get done quickly. Don't you?
Yeah.
Yeah, you don't want to be mucking around. Well, you feel sorry for the bees as well, of course, but yeah.
So what will happen is all these displaced ones
Yeah,
will they'll end up back there.
back there.
So they'll home back there, but I'm
Yep.
hoping this is far enough away where
Yeah,
I'm going.
yeah, I understand.
They'll
Yeah,
stay with it.
yeah, yeah,
I hope.
yeah. All right,
So that's that.
that's that. Thanks, Max.